The allure of the cluster fig, my journey with Ficus racemosa. The dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves of my Ficus racemosa always manages to pull me into a serene state. This magnificent tree, with its cascading canopy and vibrant fruit clusters, has become a beloved fixture in my garden. But my journey with Ficus racemosa wasn't always smooth sailing. There were moments of trial and error, of learning the specific needs of this unique plant. Today, I want to share my experiences and unveil the secrets to caring for this exotic beauty. See more 880 species in genus Ficus at monsteraholic.com. What is Ficus racemosa? Ficus racemosa, also known as the cluster fig or gular fig, is a native of Southeast Asia and Australia. It boasts a fast-growing nature, transforming from a shrubby sapling into a majestic tree with a spreading canopy. Its most captivating feature is undoubtedly the clusters of vibrant orange and yellow figs that erupt directly from the trunk and larger branches, a phenomenon known as cauliflowery. These figs, though technically not true fruits but pollinator-tricking flowers, add a touch of whimsy and provide a feast for birds and other wildlife. How to care for Ficus racemosa? As with any plant, understanding its ideal environment is key to its success. Here's a glimpse into the world where your Ficus racemosa will thrive. Light. Ficus racemosa enjoys basking in bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves, while insufficient light will lead to leggy growth. A spot near a south-facing window with sheer curtains is perfect. Water. Finding the watering sweet spot is crucial. Aim for consistently moist soil, but avoid waterlogging. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering deeply. During winter, reduce watering frequency. Temperature. This tropical wonder thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from sudden dips in temperature and cold drafts. Humidity. Ficus racemosa appreciates moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping it with other plants or using a humidifier can create a more favorable environment, especially during dry winters. Soil. Well-draining, fertile soil is essential. A mixture of potting mix, perlite, and orchid bark ensures proper drainage and aeration. More than meets the eye. Additional considerations. Feeding. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer applied once a month will keep your Ficus racemosa happy. Opt for a diluted solution to avoid fertilizer burn. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain your Ficus racemosa's desired shape and encourages bushier growth. Prune during the spring or summer, removing leggy stems and crossing branches. Pests and diseases. While generally pest and disease resistant, Ficus racemosa can occasionally be susceptible to mealybugs, scale insects, and fungal diseases. Early detection and treatment with organic methods whenever possible is key. Sharing the bounty. Propagating Ficus racemosa. The joy of Ficus racemosa can be multiplied through propagation. Here are 2 methods you can try. Stem cuttings. Take semi-hardwood cuttings in spring or summer. Treat the cut end with rooting hormone and plant it in a pot with moist soil. Maintain consistent moisture and warmth, and you should see new growth in a few weeks. Air layering. This method involves partially girdling a stem on the mother plant, encouraging root development at the wound site. Once roots appear, you can sever the stem and plant it in its own pot. What to plant with Ficus racemosa? Ficus racemosa makes a stunning centerpiece, but it also plays well with others. Here are some potential companions. Ferns. Ferns thrive in similar humidity conditions and create a lush, tropical feel. Bromeliads. Their vibrant colors and air-purifying properties complement the Ficus racemosa beautifully. Shade-loving perennials, hostas, impatiens, and begonias add a splash of color to the understory. A rewarding relationship. Ficus racemosa has become more than just a plant in my garden. It's a source of serenity and a testament to the power of nurturing nature. With a little understanding and care, you too can cultivate this exotic beauty and witness its transformation into a magnificent specimen that will grace your space for years to come. So, embark on your own Ficus racemosa adventure, and discover the magic it brings.